I'm going to show you how to change a rear exhaust bracket on the Renault Clio Mark II. If your car's making this noise, it's the rear exhaust mount which needs replacing. I have had it in the back of this car for about 5 years and I just haven't got around to changing it. Right, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So this is the piece that you'll need, so let's get it off. The next bit is you want to get this screw, that one, and then there's one behind there, somewhere around there. And yeah, look, you can see how bad it is, look. It's pretty gone. But these are 13mm, these are. So yeah, just get them off. So that's all on now. And right there, there's like a metal circle, which is that inside the rubber thing. And I thought it just slid over the top of it. It turns out, right here, that's an 8mm screw. You need to undo that and it comes out the inside, and then you slide that on and then screw that back on, put the 3 screws in, job done. Pretty easy that.